But take a screenshot of your IG, so when them say you a street, you know I might boo that. Full up a star.
Highly blissfulness, everyone. It's your girl, Nix.
But there, and reason by myself, and this quote just pop up in my head. People only treat you the way others talk about you. I'm realize that that quote, the powerful body, it's a powerful insight because you there reflect on the impact and perception. Your whole life is impacted on perceptions and social influence. So it can be very molding. That's what I try to get at. It can be very molding because that mold now can shape how people view you or think of you or talk about you. You get what I'm saying? So it's like sometimes when there's too much social influence, it comes with projection and perception of that thing. So you have to just remember now to remind yourself of, your surroundings, how you feel within yourself, how others treat you, how others talk about you, and what do you see? What do you see? You have to remind yourself to surround yourself with people who actually speak positively around you. I no longer treat people as people. I treat people as energy. I no longer treat people as people. I treat them as energy. What energy are you bringing to me? How do I feel when you're around me? When you leave, how does my surrounding feels? I need to know your positive aspects because a lot of people project their perception onto a individual and then talk about that individual the way they perceived that individual. And most of the time, that individual is far from being what their perception was of that person. So the person who will perceive that individual, not really right or wrong, it's his perception of the person. You get me? That not necessarily means that the person is what he's thinking the person is. You get what I'm saying? So I sit on a whole minute and I said to myself, it's all about me making sure I surround myself with people who speak positively about me and ensure that my actions are aligned with the positive aspects of my true being. You get what I'm saying? You have to make sure you know yourself. People can project and perceive anything about you. But once you know you and what you want and how you feel and how you are, you don't need to defend yourself. You don't need to defend yourself to nobody. You don't need to tell anybody that, oh, I was doing this because you don't need to say nothing. As long as you're sure that you're aligning your actions with how you want to be perceived on a positive level, let them talk. Talk if you're talking. You get me? You have to talk. So I just did sit down and, think to myself like, wow, this is just some real movie theater. You get me? Some real movie theater because sometimes the person who are perceived or perceive you in a certain way or them a project on you, them unfair in a life anyways. So them play unfair games. And most of the time, you have to now rise above the unfair narratives and let your true positive character come true. You see, some of the time, when your actions get aligned with who you want to be, and no other time, you have to rise above unfair narratives. Yeah? Because you have them all around you. You have to rise above unfair narratives and let your character speak louder than words. Because most of the time, when them perceive I themselves, them a project upon you. So now you must have doubt and insecurities and walk away with what they perceived about you or what they project onto you. You have to rise above the unfair narrative, people. Rise above and show your character. Show everybody who you are without saying a word. Yeah? It's going to be louder than words. So your action, your movement should be aligned and sync with your positive aspect of yourself. You know what you are about. You know thyself. So you don't need to defend thyself. Jah already a defend you. This is a battlefield we're on. Everybody thinks it's a physical one. This is more than physical. This is a spiritual, interconnecting warfare. You get me? Because for one, you're in a battle with your own mind. So when you see people projecting and perceiving themselves onto you, you have to stop and realize, hold on a minute. This is a theater. This is a theater. Because most of the time, people want to wreck your reputation before you even start. They want to knock you down before you even start, blood. So because of that, people start mess up your little vibes going. Because you have built yourself. And you know who you are. You know what you're about. But them not like that. Them not like that. Them want to look through you. Them want to look through you. They want to look through you. Enough of the time, your closest and dearest are the ones that becomes the watcher. They're looking through you, or they might look through your reputation. Yeah? To see you. So they're like, it's like your reputation become, basically it's like your reputation become the lens through which others see you. Even before they even get to know you. You get what I'm saying? So, as I said, people treat you the way others talk about you. So some people may step to you, and then they step to you, okay, and after a while you see them a move like crap, them a move sideways, they wonder what go on. Or because somebody else think your light too shining, too bright. Somebody else think your light too bright. So before them truly get to know you, them tell you all sort of foolishness in your head for you know pull up this wall or build up this defense or have this ideology of this person, perception of this person, and you perceive this person where them tell you before you even get to truly know the person, you know, before you even get to know the individual, them start pack you up like you're some market bus or van or truck. But as I say, you have to now know yourself. You have to know what kind of energy you are entertaining. Because me don't entertain a gossiper. Me don't entertain people who wreck houses or families or anything. Me don't entertain nothing like that. Yeah? What me want to do is spiritual. Me connect people through spirituality. I connect with people on a spiritual level. And from you, I make sure that your actions and your characters, because you have more than one, are consistent and aligned to your true purpose. Let them talk. You don't need to defend yourself. You don't need to go out there and call the person and says, oh, I hear you've been doing that. Let them talk. Everybody came here to do their job. Everybody is doing their job. And I put up the video, you know, and then halfway just do the introduction and then I now put up the rest because this deeper than it is. You get what I'm saying? People treat you the way others talk about you. But once you know, so you're consistent and you're authentic, and no matter what challenge you have faced or no matter what, you know, false perception people are dash your way, you keep on doing you. Because them narratives must crumble one day. Them false narrative must crumble one day. So all you have to do is just keep on doing you. Remember, the power lies within you. A person only can affect you if you are affecting yourself. Them only can, throw things upon you if you already are throw things upon yourself and you look for somebody to agree with. But from you know yourself and you align with positivity, things to make you better for your highest good. Yeah? No harm to none. Let them talk. Because you have the power, as me say. You have the power. The power is within you. So when people talk about you, you wish them all the best. You wish them abundance, prosperity, good health. Because God said, the more you bless, not even bless, because be less, I don't like to use that word anymore. The more you, spread out loving kindness to others, the more him give you. The more you curse others, the more him will go curse you. You have to make sure you're doing what is aligning with your highest good. And you can just know, you have the power to redefine how people talk about you. Yeah? And you can do that by how you present yourself. So make them talk. You just turn up. Sister, brother, just turn up. And you watch yeah? Spirit just handle everything out for you. Spirit just handle everything out for you. Because you are do what you align with. You are doing things to better yourself for your highest good. So you don't have to worry about the false narrative, the perception of others about you. You will find people who treat you the way others talk about you in a positive aspect. You get me? Because this is not just bad. Because as I said before, the more people talk about you good, the more you are going to turn up and give good. You get what I'm saying? I am here to help people solve problems. And people out there will connect with me. I help me solve problems. This is a higher ordained intervention. This is higher than any connection. Once you connect with the right energies, the right field, the right frequencies, you don't have to worry about what others says about you. Because the more you climb higher, or the more you be successful, or the more you start attaining your true alignment, you're going to shine more. You never know, sister. Listen to me. You are going to shine more. And the more you shine, what do you think is going to happen? The more you shine, the more you achieve things, the more you align with your highest good. What do you think is going to happen? Tell me now. Because there's never a person who's ever been successful in his successful way where people not try pull down. Everybody have their own success. Everybody's definition and perception of success is totally different. Me can be successful with just what I've got, and that's my success. Others may feel different. Yeah? So, whatever you're successful with, whatever you're shining with, even if you don't have much and you're shining, what you think is gonna happen? Of course, you're gonna encounter people who, feel threatened about your light. You know nothing, sir? Uno are gonna find people who feel threatened about your light, or them feel insecure about you because you do too much and them don't know how to do a few. You ever think about that? I've got this channel, and this channel was built for my visual diary. And this channel is turning out to be something that I never expected it to be, and I'm so grateful and happy. And I'm helping others solve problems that they've been having, and they're helping me solving problems that I've been having. So we exchange energy fairly. The growth is been there for a long time. 6 years me I try for reach an audience where me can connect with and feel synchronized energy and know that I'm not the only one that feel or think this way. And some days me never want to turn up. Some days me never even want to come out. I never want to talk to nobody. I never want to do no video. And me get the strength and the vigor and the vitality and the courage, the determination, and me start build a little bit of consistency. I'm going to start drive like a train. Obstacles in the way, tree fall down, rock and everything, and me still I go through. So what you think others are going to come do to you now, when you think you are aligned with your highest good, them are going to try pull you down. Them are going to try shut you down. Because you're not supposed to do too much. Instead of them work on themselves, them a look through your reputation to try and see you. And a build a false narrative about you. And that's why when you see certain people who used to treat you, kind and loving, them start going a funny ways because what people are say about you to them. Yeah. But this is where you're going to be resilient. Yeah? This is where you're going to be resilient and you're going to build your confidence. You hear what I said to you? You're going to first be resilient. Walk in your truth. Walk in your highest good. Walk in your purpose. Build your confidence. Let your confidence come into you. Command your confidence to come to you. Command resilience to come upon you. You're going to stay focused and stay grounded too. Because if you don't, they're going to make you come off your path. Because you're going to focus too much on their perception of you and not truly walking and aligning to things that carries you to your highest good. Stay focused on your path, people. Do not come off, no matter how rugged the road be. Listen to some music. Eat the right foods. Get your supplements in. Meditate. Talk to yourself positively. Talk to yourself. My mother always said, don't answer though, because if you answer, you go crazy. No, seriously. Talk to yourself. Stay focused. Stay on your path. Let your success speak for itself. You don't need to defend yourself. You don't need to. Just stay focused. Stay on your path. And your success will be everything. Everything you ever wanting. Stay on your path. Yeah? Let your success speak for itself. And remember this, people. Remember that everybody's perception of you is going to be different. What is the perception of yourself? That's the most important thing. The only perception is what you think about you. If you don't think about you in a positive way, others are going to see how you treat you and treat you. So people may treat you the way you treat you. Sometimes not all the people that might treat you the way you cannot treat yourself. So be careful how you treat you, because if they treat you negatively, remember that they're going to treat you the same. Although sometimes their negativity is a reflection of themselves. So you see what I mean? It tangle up and twist up and confuse. No true. That's why you have to know yourself. Treat yourself the way you want others to treat you. All right? Start loving up yourself. Start being kind to yourself. Start saying nice words to yourself. Do your mirror exercises. Do your meditation. Do your walks. Go out in the park with your family. Have lunches with your friends. Have cocktails. Although I have none, I can't have lunch with, but I have it with my girls. I have it with my families, you know? Be kind to yourself. Yeah? And remember what I'm saying, sometimes their negativity is a reflection of them, not you. Keep on rising. Keep on rising, keep on shining regardless, okay? Enough love and guidance. I'm your natural natty sister, Nix, and I'm here. I'm here with you guys. We all in at the same place, you know? We're all in the same boat. You may just be a little further away from me, but we all in this together. So what we want you to do now is stay fully blissful, fully grateful, fully abundant, and fully prosperous. All right? And remember, the way people treat you is how others talk about you. So how do you talk about yourself? That's the first thing you need to look at. And then you can see how others treat you, negative or positive. All right? Remember, stay grounded and keep the faith. You got this. I believe in you.
Just lick it up and down. The panning shoes full of a burr.
Yeah, same.
Grandma, this you know?
He's like, you guys go without me.
Do it hard.
He said, no, he said, you
Watch
guys
out,
go
watch out,
without
watch
me.
out.
Who is that? German.
And
You wanted to throw rocks.
yeah, we have to call him up.
Go on, hard again. Mash him. Bye. 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 Bye.
Yeah, I think
He might forget him, mash. Jesus.
Yes.
He-
Yes. Go on through my youth.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
My youth.
Yeah, aye.
Backside. Yes. Yeah. Boy.
Yeah. And again.
Aye.
Might be over.
Squeak.
No, you have
Go
to
backwards. Go
Yes.
back. Go back a bit more. No,
do
back,
it some
back.
distance.
Yes,
Now
that's
slap
it.
him.
Aye.
Oh, no, go back a bit more.
Some more. Right.
Try again. Yes.
Almost.
Heavy.
Go aim it.
Jesus.
Alright, let me know.
Come, let's go. We're gonna find another one. Come, some more rocks down here. You know, leave it till you done. That's crazy. You wonder why you sleep so quick at Jamaica?
You kill it,
Here
man.
this morning. I don't understand. Why do I fall asleep so quick in Jamaica?
Because you do stuff like that.
That's it. No iPad. Come on, let's go. When daddy see him, I'm gonna be so surprised. You grow. Right. You know, stop till you mash up on.
There you go. Don't know.
Nope. Still some.
That is how I do when I go to the hills and find cow.
Yes.
I mince it up. Yes, I have to bring it back with me. No, Leffy. No, Leffy.
You want joke?
No.
I need you want joke.
I use stuff and
I come from college one day rugby.
Don't touch me.
And I stop and take up some horse poo and put it at the back of the car and then go collect Destiny from school. Here, Destiny. What's that smell? What's that smell?
Okay. Why
Why's it going like this?
Now.
And it, the girl nearly vomits. He didn't want to come in. He said, I walk. I will walk.
It's going.
Oh, God.
you gotta get me used.
So when we go home and take out, she said, Mom, you carried horse poo in the car? He said, "No, come back in my car." But Annette, the garden was singing, man.
Of course.
Sunday, when me mix up my coffee and my cow poo and my chicken poo and everything. Somebody see?
I was going to walk behind here because I'm going all the no, it has the barbed wire.
Okay, come.
Okay, boy, you look my finger?
No, you're gonna hurt Auntie Destiny, and Deja. Enough head me bust with rock stone.
Yeah.
I don't see anything.
When me you saying me feeling?
Well, I can see it.
He nah kiss nothing.
Wow,
You know,
Jammeh,
you
you're
always say. Annette, see my son, this is my son. Annette, baby this.
I don't see anything. What do you mean you don't see
Nothing. Annette Bunny, no sir. And daddy dry this, man.
But take a screenshot of your IG. So when them say you a street, you know I might do that. Full up a star.